Hey everyone! Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to transfer Bitcoin from Coinbase to Robinhood in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or just looking to switch platforms, this step-by-step tutorial will have you set up in no time. With the crypto landscape evolving, we'll cover the latest updates to make sure your transfer is smooth and secure. First off, ensure you have verified accounts on both Coinbase and Robinhood. This is crucial for security and to avoid any delays. Start by logging into your Coinbase account. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and select your Bitcoin wallet from the list of assets. Next, click on the Send or Withdraw button for Bitcoin. Before you proceed, you'll need the recipient's wallet address, so let's hop over to Robinhood. Open your Robinhood app or website, log in, and go to the crypto section. Select Bitcoin and look for the Deposit or Transfer option. This will generate a unique wallet address for you. Copy it carefully, as accuracy is key in crypto transactions. Now, back in Coinbase, paste that Robinhood address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer, but double-check the details first. In 2025, network fees might vary, so review them to avoid surprises. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm, and complete any two-factor authentication steps for added security. After initiating the transfer, keep an eye on the transaction status. You can use blockchain explorers like blockchain.com to track it. It usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's confirmed, head back to Robinhood and refresh your Bitcoin balance to see the funds arrive. A quick tip: always use the Bitcoin network for this transfer to ensure compatibility, and never share your private keys. If you run into any issues, both platforms offer helpful support resources. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Bitcoin from Coinbase to Robinhood in 2025. This process is straightforward, but if it helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.